Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. So today I am here with another small business unboxing, and today I am unboxing a business that I found on TikTok, started following on Instagram, and then she also has a few videos here on YouTube. So the boutique or shop name is Maddie Green Design. So if you guys are familiar with her, let me know down in the comment sections. Have you ever seen one of her videos, one of her TikToks? Watch Maddie Green TV on IGTV on Instagram. She has some packing videos, or just excited to find a new business. So if you are new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. So she was doing these mystery bundles. So I got the $100 mystery bundle. It came in this, of course, eco-friendly, hey, I'm 100% recycled mailer bag. It's green. Apparently Maddie is in Colorado, Westminster. So I'm gonna go ahead and go through this bag. My daughter, we kind of looked already, but she was trying to take something out of my bag. So she was like, you need to do the video. So in the mystery bundle, you get to choose do you want the Maddie Green Designs plus boutique? So she has like a boutique where she has like dresses and sandals and like different girly stuff. Or you could choose just from Maddie Green Designs or boutique only. They have different prices ranging from $20 up to $100. So like I said, I got the $100, and in the comment section, well, not comment section, but in the choosing, you can choose yes, you're a business owner, or no, you're not a business owner. So of course, because I'm a business owner, I choose yes. So here is a sweatshirt. It's a crew neck. And on the crew neck, it says CEO, content creation, photography, social media, customer service, packaging, finances, marketing. So here is the crew neck. It's in a size large. So to me, it'll be oversized on me. But because I wash and wear my stuff a lot, that's fine. Because it'll eventually get smaller. So next, pulling things out one by one, I have a small business owner tee. So see a lot of shops using comfort colors now. So I'm going to explore that in my up and coming series on how to start a stationery business. So again, this is the small business owner tee. Let's see what I have next. Next is a tote bag that says small business owner in white. So it's like a cream tote or a natural color tote. And it says small business owner. Hope you guys can see that well. Okay. And then here it's a little notebook. This says small business owner. You guys can see that. Let me see if I don't think it has any pages. So it's white dot grid, 48 pages. So small business owner. Super cute. Make sure I get everything out. Next I have, it's from JoJo Makes, and I think she buys wholesale stuff from different business owners. So in the mesh bag, it's a green mask here, like a mint green, and then a scrunchie. And I'll shout JoJo Makes out because of course it's a small business owner. So if you want to get masks and scrunchies, check out JoJo Makes. Okay, and I love that she's supporting other small business owners in her ventures. And then here we have one of these, I don't know what they call them, the rainbow hangers, the core. But this one is made by Becca Ferry Co. So if you guys want to check out Becca Ferry, that's the information right there. But this is super cute. Me and my daughter were actually just making one, and this came in my package, and ours looks nothing like this. So I'm definitely gonna give this one to my daughter. Okay, I have what I got here. And then I ordered a sticker, like a random, let me see, it was a surprise random sticker pack of 3 stickers. So I got the rainbow. I got a sticker that says keep going. And then I got a water bottle that says drink more water. Let me see, find the light, drink more water. And then inside the package, along with my packing slope, make today a good day. Thank you for supporting my small business. Your order was packaged with lots of love. I'm so thankful that because of you, I get to do what I love. So this doubles as like a print. So you guys know I have this little thing that I got, so I could just easily put that in there, set it on my desk someplace. And then it's like a miniature one as well, packaging to go inside here, and just says Maddie Green Designs, tells you where to find her business and all of that good stuff. So that is my small business unboxing for today. So I did also get something else from Donata Skin Co, but you guys see me unbox that maybe twice. I just got some more Scar Butter and some more Pine Tar soap, and I did get a sample of the Iowa soap. So I'm excited to try that because I wasn't able to secure an actual big bar when it dropped. So I'm excited to try it because I think that one is like aloe and pine tar. So again, this was a small business unboxing, and I hope you guys stay tuned to more videos like this. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.